The internet has changed everything. We use it to connect with people, we use it to find information. Businesses use it to reach customers. It's hard to imagine life without the internet. Before the internet, things were much slower. We sent letters, we made phone calls. Finding information meant going to the library. The internet has made communication instant. We can send messages across the world in seconds. We can share photos and videos with anyone. It's amazing. Can you imagine a world without cat videos? Thanks to the internet, we don't have to. Have you ever wondered how information travels on the internet? It's like magic, but the real secret is something called packet switching. Imagine you're sending a digital postcard. Instead of sending the whole postcard, you cut it up into tiny pieces. These pieces are called packets. Each packet is numbered. They travel across the internet separately. They might take different routes, but don't worry, they all arrive at the destination. When all the packets arrive, they are put back together in the right order. Voila! Your digital postcard is complete. Just like traffic lights keep cars moving smoothly, routers keep internet traffic flowing. Routers are like little computers. They connect different networks together. When a packet of data needs to travel, the router chooses the best path. It's like a GPS for your data. Routers make sure everything gets where it needs to go quickly and efficiently. They prevent traffic jams on the information superhighway. Without routers, the internet would be very slow and unreliable. Think of routers as the unsung heroes of the internet age. They keep the information flowing 24/7. Section 4, IP addresses, your device's digital address. Every device connected to the internet needs an address. This address is called an IP address. It's a unique number that identifies your device. Think of it like your home address. Just like the postman needs your address to deliver mail, the internet needs your IP address to deliver data. IP addresses are made up of a series of numbers. Don't worry, you don't have to remember them. Your computer does all the hard work for you. Section 5, DNS, translating web addresses. You probably use web addresses every day, like google.com. These web addresses, also known as URLs, are easy for us to remember and use. They're a convenient way to navigate the vast expanse of the internet. But have you ever wondered how your computer knows where to go when you type in a web address? But did you know that computers don't use these addresses? Instead, they rely on a different system to locate websites. This system is based on numerical addresses known as IP addresses. These IP addresses are unique to each device connected to the internet, much like a phone number is unique to each phone. Computers use IP addresses, which are hard to remember. An IP address is a string of numbers separated by periods, such as 192.168.1.1. Imagine having to remember such a string for every website you want to visit. This is where the complexity of the internet's infrastructure becomes apparent. That's where DNS comes in. The domain name system, or DNS, acts as a bridge between human-friendly web addresses and the numerical IP addresses that computers use. It simplifies our interaction with the internet by translating these web addresses into IP addresses automatically. DNS stands for Domain Name System. It's a crucial part of the internet's infrastructure, ensuring that when you type in a web address, your computer can find the correct IP address and connect you to the desired website. It's like a giant phone book for the internet. Just as you would look up a person's name in a phone book to find their phone number, DNS looks up a web address to find its corresponding IP address. This process happens almost instantaneously, making our browsing experience smooth and efficient. When you type in a web address, DNS translates it into an IP address. This translation process involves multiple steps and servers, but it happens so quickly that we hardly notice it. The DNS servers work together to ensure that your request is routed to the correct destination. This makes it possible for your computer to find the website you're looking for. Without DNS, the internet as we know it would not be as user-friendly. We would be stuck memorizing long strings of numbers instead of simple, memorable web addresses. So next time you visit your favorite website, remember the DNS. It's an invisible yet indispensable part of your online experience, working tirelessly behind the scenes to connect you to the information and services you need. It's working behind the scenes to make your online experience seamless. From the moment you type in a web address to the instant the website loads, DNS is there. ensuring everything runs smoothly. So let's take a moment to appreciate this incredible system that makes our digital lives so much easier. Section 6. The Internet's Unsung Heroes Protocols. In this section, we will explore the fundamental building blocks that make the Internet function seamlessly. For everything to work smoothly on the Internet, computers need to speak the same language. This common language is made possible through protocols. That's where protocols come in. They are essential for ensuring that data is transmitted accurately and efficiently across the vast network of computers. Protocols are like sets of rules. Just as we follow rules in our daily lives to maintain order, computers follow protocols to communicate effectively. They tell computers how to communicate with each other. Without these protocols, the Internet as we know it would not exist. One important protocol is TCP/IP. This protocol is the backbone of the Internet, enabling different devices to connect and share information. TCP/IP stands for Transmission Control Protocol Internet Protocol. It ensures that data is sent and received accurately by breaking it into packets and reassembling them at the destination. It's responsible for breaking data into packets and reassembling them at the destination. This process is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the information being transmitted. Another important protocol is HTTP, or Hypertext Transfer Protocol. This protocol is what your web browser uses to communicate with websites, allowing you to access and interact with web pages. This is what your web browser uses to communicate with websites. Every time you click a link or enter a URL, HTTP is at work behind the scenes. And don't forget about HTTPS. This protocol is an extension of HTTP and adds an extra layer of security to your online activities. That's Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. It encrypts the data exchange between your browser and the website, protecting sensitive information from being intercepted. It adds an extra layer of security to your online activities. With HTTPS, you can be confident that your personal information is safe when you shop online, log into your bank account, or browse the web. Section 7. The backbone of the Internet. You can't have an Internet without a physical network. This network is the backbone that supports all our online activities, from sending emails to streaming videos. It's a complex web of interconnected devices and systems that work together seamlessly. The Internet relies on a vast infrastructure of cables, wires, and wireless networks. These components form the foundation that allows data to travel across the globe. Without this infrastructure, the Internet as we know it wouldn't exist. Fiber optic cables are like the superhighways of the Internet. They are made of thin strands of glass or plastic that carry data as light signals. This technology allows for incredibly fast data transmission, making it possible to stream high-definition videos and conduct video calls with minimal lag. They transmit data as pulses of light, making them incredibly fast. The speed and efficiency of fiber optic cables are unmatched, which is why they are the preferred choice for internet service providers around the world. These cables crisscross the globe, connecting continents and countries. Underwater fiber optic cables, known as submarine cables, are laid on the ocean floor to link different parts of the world. This global network ensures that we can communicate and share information instantly, no matter where we are. Wireless networks like Wi-Fi and cellular allow us to access the Internet without being tethered to a cable. These networks use radio waves to transmit data, providing the convenience of mobility. Whether you're at home, in a coffee shop, or on the go, wireless networks keep you connected. It's a complex and interconnected system that enables us to connect with the world at the speed of light. The Internet's backbone is a marvel of modern engineering, bringing people closer together and making the world a smaller, more connected place.